Tired of a cluttered kitchen and endless cooking steps? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is your ultimate solution. This single appliance replaces 9 others, doing everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to making yogurt and sautéing. With 15 smart, customizable programs, cooking your favorite meals is as simple as pressing a button, truly effortless. Its premium stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, even cooking and makes cleanup a breeze, unlike many non-stick alternatives. What makes the Duo Plus stand out is its intelligent design, simplifying complex recipes into one-touch perfection. Imagine preparing gourmet meals in a fraction of the time, freeing you up for what truly matters. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, find the Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon via the link below. It's not just a cooker, it's a game changer for busy households and aspiring home chefs looking for the best kitchen gadgets. This specific model offers enhanced safety features and precision temperature control, making it a truly reliable investment for 2025 and beyond. For anyone wanting to simplify their cooking and make delicious meals consistently, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is an absolute must-have.